Scuba diving is a huge draw for Nova Scotia. It has multiple dive sites for people of all different skill levels, whether you be starting with open water or joining in the massive shipwreck dives that they have off the coast. Now, opening hatcheries off the coast of Nova Scotia would definitely damage the scuba diving industry. First and foremost, it takes up space along the coast, which means you lose dive sites, you lose the ability to be in that water, have access to those areas, therefore limiting the spaces you can dive. And on top of that, it has an even bigger effect on the environment. So to build these hatcheries, you would have to edit the landscape, you'd have to change the environment, you'd have to build it up. So that means clearing it out, moving things around, whether that be a 17th century shipwreck or destroying coral reefs or naturally occurring caves that happen to be in the area. Another part of that would be that it would disrupt with the natural wildlife that already exists there. Nova Scotia is known for its underwater creatures such as crabs and lobsters aplenty, but these creatures would be harmed by the use of the antibiotics and different kinds of chemicals that they use to keep hatcheries safe and clean for those trying to grow. This would damage the ecosystem that already exists there, potentially causing harm and the death to the great populations that live there. It would also mean damaging sites like shipwrecks. Lots of people travel to dive specific shipwrecks, especially ones that are as old as the ones that can be found in Nova Scotia. So choosing to build a hatchery off the coast would damage the scuba industry. You would take away the draw for tourism, and therefore, by proxy, you would also financially hurt the area.